Okay, this is my third try, seeing if I can figure this out. So what I did is I'm in the Zoom meeting. Obviously, I don't have anybody with me right now. I hit share. It gives me the option of desktop, whiteboard, iPhone or iPad via AirPlay. I guess it's AirPlay, not Wi-Fi. And then I put iPhone or iPad via cable. So I hit this, share. Gives me instructions to plug it in. I'm just using my regular cord that I would use to plug it in to charge it. Just regular USB. So you plug it in, and then you actually will be prompted on your iPad or iPhone to trust this computer. So then I open it up, and there's my iPad screen. Now, the student's not going to be able to manipulate the tiles because I can't even manipulate them here. I can touch them, and I can manipulate them with my fingers. So obviously, it's not ideal if I was doing this with the student all the time, but it works for, a one-time session rather than trying to use this document cam that I was setting up that I borrowed from my son because he uses it for his art tutorials. So I don't know, I just thought that was cool because that's never been an option before, and better than me trying to use Wizimo because I don't have my Wizimo account's not active, and I wasn't going to obviously pay for that for just 1 or 2 sessions, and I didn't want to use the basic because I haven't used it in so long. It would be so cumbersome and take forever. So I just thought it was cool because that hasn't been an option in the past, at least the last time I looked. So I hope that's helpful. And who knows, maybe there's a way for them to manipulate the tiles, but I don't think so, even if I share control, because I can't when I use it. I think they only can do what I can do, and I just move the screen around. So you can annotate, though. I did discover that. So, like, if I want to draw, I can do this, which means they can, too. I just think they can't move the tiles, but I can, if they tell me what to do, I could do this. So again, it's not ideal for regular tutoring, but for one session, it's pretty cool. All right, hope that helps. Hope this works. I tried 3 times now.